Students, now we learn about the foreign key. So, what is the purpose of foreign key and how it is useful for DBMS? Now, the foreign key is basically called the referential integrity constant also. It means if in exam uh, asking about the referential integrity, so you will define about the foreign key. So foreign key also maintain the referential integrity into the DBMS. And first the question is, what is the referential integrity? So actually referential integrity is create relation between two tables, and the records into the reference table should be valid. It means user can do not accidentally change, delete or update records. So that's why the foreign key is very important. So now we write the definition of foreign key. The definition of foreign key is a non-key attribute whose values are derived from the primary key. Means the value should be derived from the foreign key of some other table is known as foreign key in its current table. So this is the definition. A non-key attribute whose value are derived from the primary key of some other table is known as foreign key in its current table. So this is the purpose of foreign key. Actually, we are derived some data from other table. So into the foreign key you need two table. Then you able to create the foreign key. Look at the example. Okay. Into this example, I have two table. First one is customer table and second one is orders. So first look at the customer table. In customer table there are some columns like SID, last name, first name, and the SID is primary key, and this table is called parent table, or we can say that primary table. So into the SQL you have to first create the parent table, and you have to also insert all the records.